What's up, everybody? Chatty CRC back with you here. Welcome to the channel, and today I want to talk about a simulator roundup. So it's snowing out. I've wrecked my Source 1 like 4 times into the mud because of, I don't know, I think it's the camera. I finally replaced the camera, but who knows when I'll be able to fly it again. So I've been working on changing some things around here. I built this PC over here a few months ago with the intention of playing some Sims and of course some Fortnite, and you know, just kind of doing some things like that during the winter. And I've been playing through the pretty much the top 2 and then a third one that is very interesting. So I've been playing Liftoff, Velocidrone, and I've been playing excuse me, another simulator called Fpv Air V2. I first heard about it on a podcast a few months ago, and it's pretty amazing. Like, not every one of these simulators can do something right. Like, one might look better than the other. One might have cool quads that we all fly, and one might have better visuals. One might have better gravity on the way up. Some might have better gravity on the way down, all that kind of stuff. But I think that the first one I'm going to do a video on, and it's going to be a long video. It's like a 30-minute long video. I've already shot it, and it's encoded, and it'll be uploading probably the same day as this one. But I wanted to give everybody just a lot to look at. It looks pretty good on my computer. The frame rates and everything looks like it's running really good. You know, I don't have a super high-end gaming system. I've got a Ryzen 5 2400. I'll put the link somewhere up here that tells you what I've got. And, you know, a 1050 Ti in there. And all these simulators run fairly well. But Fpv Air V2 has just enough, like, to make you satisfied visually, but give you the best experience, in my opinion. So that's why I'm starting with it. Plus, it's $5, and it, you know, it's on Steam, and you know, it's just something that I think everybody should take a look at and give this guy a hand, because I'm pretty sure that there's only like 1 or 2 developers on this thing, and they're using the engine, and he's been releasing a little bit of downloadable content. There's like, it's very race oriented, but he has came out with a few freestyle areas that are okay. You know, it is what it is, and a track editor. But I've had a lot of fun just like freestyling around the tracks and like kind of like trying to power loop through the gates and stuff. I've played it for about 3 hours over, I don't know, a couple months or whatever since I built this, so I haven't played a lot. But of course, now it's the time that I'm going to probably start playing the simulators a lot. But I want to go through that one first, and then we'll take a look at Liftoff, and then we'll take a look at Velocidrone, and just kind of see like where everything's at, what I think they could improve on, and which ones I think are best for, you know, everybody, whoever wants to play these things. Now, a lot of you guys are like mid-rangers, long-rangers. You probably aren't going to want to do any of that stuff anyway. But, you know, if you're like, let's say you're a freestyle, but you've never dabbled in racing. I dabble in racing like once or twice a year. And I tell you, this Fpv Air V2 is very, very similar to the way that racing feels to me. Like, it just feels really smooth. You know, the quad doesn't like kind of pop up and down and stuff like it does in some of the other simulators. So you'll just have to check it out. And, you know, look at the channel here. I have changed the name, Dorky and 40, just trying to do some rebranding and stuff like that, to just kind of get more centered on just more than FPV. Of course, the channel is going to be mostly dedicated to FPV. But, you know, I've got a lot of other things that I like to talk about as far as like, you know, technology, Star Wars, that, you know, whatever, you know. So that's just what's going on. I hope you stick along for the ride. I hope please subscribe if you're new, interested in any of this kind of stuff for the content. Hopefully you won't have to look at this mess behind you very long. I'm going to try to do some green screen type of stuff or whatever. Just, you know, I don't know. It is what it is, one step at a time, you know? So go from dreamer to streamer. So we'll talk to you guys later.